Hello and welcome to the channel. This will be a very quick garden tour because I have stuff to do. So lilies are starting to have their first color buds, so within a week I will have my first lily flower of the year. And lilies are growing nicely, and the spring flowering bulbs are going dormant nicely. Still have the lovely mole digging around, making me nervous and stuff like that. And the lilies are really tall now, so 150 centimeters is not uncommon, so that is about 5 feet tall. I have some phytophthora, pythium damage on the leaves. I have my oleums in flower, and soon I will have my candidums in flower. Look at the buds, they're really nice. I have my eryngium in flower, 2 of them actually. This will need to color up blue, and these look lovely. Look at the holes of the wall. I don't like walls. Oh, and this is a spider or Tobago, and this one is Miami, and this big one is the Dracunculus. I have 2 open inflorescences, and soon I will have ripened seeds of Fritillaria imperialis. And look at there's beetle. What's that? Yeah, it's a beetle. So it's not smelling anymore. You can see this one is finished already. Some will open up soon. There's not our cat, but the cat which fathered our small cats. So lovely, everything going nicely, and there are a lot of weeds. Weeds are growing even faster than lilies. So when I finish, I have to weed also. And the lilies which survived the winter look okay. Look, lovely nice color buds. They're going to open soon, maybe tomorrow. And more lilies in buds. The anemones are in flower, and some lilies just not keen on sprouting. I don't know what's the problem. I also have to pot up some lilies. I was fortunate enough to buy martagons at 40 to 50% off, so I bought some. These are the seedlings and the scale propagations, and I have the Pinellia in bloom. This will open soon, and I have the Hypgastralia Turga Pradan in bloom, so that's nice. And I have the wonderful Clematis from the Polish breeder flowering, so this one is once more. And the beautiful seed grown Delosperma, the pink one, and the orange red one is also blooming. The other Clematis is also blooming. This has a lovely color. It's called Strawberry Fields. Caesar's brother is blooming still, Aspuria, Siberica iris, and I'm going to have tomorrow the Chrysographus black form opened. So very nice. Clematis, also lovely. And Iris Premier is in full bloom. So, and you can see the black what's that, bumblebees. These are actually called Xylocopa violacea, and their larvae are eating dead wood. So thank you for your attention, see you next time, bye bye.